In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from credit card HDFC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a credit card from HDFC and you want to transfer money from a credit card to a bank account, especially for cash, this is usually not going to be recommended unless it is an absolute emergency, because it is going to have a lot of high costs involved. This is typically referred to as a cash advance. So when you want to transfer money from your credit card to a debit card, or essentially a bank account, this will be referred to as a cash advance. So there are various different methods for you to do this. The main one is going to be through an ATM cash withdrawal. So go to an ATM, use your HDFC card, input the PIN, and you will be able to choose the amount that you want to withdraw from the ATM. Usually there is going to be a fee, so a certain percentage, and also a potentially fixed rate, whichever is higher. So be aware of any included fees, either percentage or fixed amount, but after you do this, you will be able to receive your money. After you acquire the money, you simply deposit it into the bank account where you want to make the transfer of the credit card. Usually this method is going to have the highest fees attributed to it, so you should only do this if it is an absolute emergency and you really need the money. Alternatively, you can do transfer via net banking. This is less common for direct credit card to bank transfer. However, it is an option if you want to use your HDFC bank credit card to pay a bill or make a specific type of transfer. So you will be able to pay your credit card bill or transfer money from your savings/current accounts. So you simply link your HDFC bank credit card and you choose it as the payment method depending on the service that you are trying to use. Of course, not all services will allow you to link this credit card, but if you see the option to do so, then just link the HDFC credit card and proceed. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from credit card HDFC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.